Are you repelling or are you attracting the best new hires? Find out as keynote speaker and best-selling author Kelly McDonald share impactful insights on how to access the best new talent.
Start looking at your organization and the way that you recruit and even market the positions within your company. So, for example, here's an example. There are words that we use in a lot of job descriptions that are actually biased. So, things like clean shaven, must be clean shaven. Number one, it implies a man.
Sure.
Number two, it could exclude someone who has to wear facial hair for their faith, or even this one, must have 3 to 5 years of experience. So what you should say is must have a minimum of 3 years of experience. Why would you want to exclude the person who has 7 years of experience? But they
Sure.
would do that if you say
Sure.
3 to 5, right? And so
Sure.
that's, there's a million ways that we have language that we've never even thought about that attracts or repels candidates.